Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Figma Auto Layout for responsive marketing sections step by step clearly. Open Figma and create a new frame for your marketing section. Select the frame by clicking on it within the Layers panel. Navigate to the right sidebar and locate the Properties panel. Find the option labeled Auto Layout and click on the plus icon to activate it. Adjust the padding values to set the space inside your frame. Modify the spacing between individual elements by changing the spacing between items value. Add any elements you want within the auto layout frame, such as images, text, or buttons. As you add elements, observe how they automatically adjust their positioning based on the auto layout settings. Select an element within the auto layout frame to customize its settings further. You can adjust the size of each element by changing its constraints in the right sidebar. Use the alignment options to ensure your elements are positioned correctly within the frame. Experiment with different layouts by dragging elements around to see how they respond. Once you are happy with the layout, you can group elements further if needed. Test the responsiveness by resizing the main frame to see how the elements adjust dynamically. Rinse and repeat these steps for any additional marketing sections you wish to create. Your responsive marketing section is now fully set up with Figma's Auto Layout feature. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.